Hey, yo, what up, Famous?
I'm over here.
Big up me G's them. Big up me G's them.
It's all about famous.
FamousSosick.
Hey, Sean, that's me representing for Famous.
Ding Dong Ravens represent for FamousSosick. Big up yourself, yo.
Come back and watch a vlog right now.
Yeah, yeah, me laugh to success. People, check them out now. And the maddest people, them. Mad, gas.
Right now, we're there in a nice, we're there in a Goodwill store, thrift store, whatever you want to call it. We are look, tripod. You know what I mean? Yo, you know, so heck out, you know, empty.
Right.
Me I try to look at tripod.
Someone on closet look on there. That's a lot too big stuff. Racks on top of racks on top of racks.
Right now, me no want to go Best Buy. Me no want to go Target. Go spend so much money on a tripod. More come here, so.
Old school speaker, you're low.
Oh, low, though.
How this one? How that?
Just look like you can clip the camera up on something, though. Me I try to look here so first.
Really? Flax.
See if me can get a tripod. If not, just go end up go Amazon. But me see if me can save some money first before me run to Amazon. They don't look like nothing there. So look like we have to go Amazon.
I took a Best Buy, and if it's cheap on Amazon, they got a price down.
No man, Amazon always a got cheaper. Me can find it on Amazon cheaper than Best Buy on Target.
Big them, I know that thing.
So price compare.
Yeah, if you're at Target, and you can find it somewhere else, listen, I'm giving you info. If you're in Target, right? If you're in Target, and you see the item cheaper online, they have to acknowledge it, so they have to give it to you for that price. Remember I told you?
What do you call it?
Best Buy, Walmart, Target. Price much?
5 minutes. 5 minutes.
not 7 p.m. no more? Okay.
I like to never lie and tell you because I never know so we can reach over black. We are both a grown up. Ariella pillar. Ariella. Nice look in. Be things in avenue. We are coming and combine so we come by with props. A helmet though. Come back and buy it.
All I want to do, all these shoulder pads.
Yeah man, we are gonna do it out there. Yo, I wonder if we can look through people window with this.
I want to keep my fish fried.
Keep fish fried. As me start vlog, I'm going to talk about I want to keep fish fried.
Oh, for it?
And that's it, it'll be a good look for it. My phone full liquor, yeah?
I gotta keep my fish fried for my birthday. But I got, you know, September 28th will be either 60 or 55 degrees.
Cook a cool fish fry. I find a tripod liquor, but you never have the clip on the top. So it was no good. I didn't even know how much for it. But yeah, I'll find it somewhere else. What we do? Right now we're there, we stop at Chicken Hut. We about to get some food. Nice order. We order chicken sandwich.
Yeah, it's my cheat day today, so I can eat unhealthy today.
I buy a spicy chicken sandwich. Because as me say, we could have done anyway in area, but we choose to forward and come spend it with me.
Right, we, I follow people. We?
Them mad, you know.
Why don't I spend it with we?
We mad, them madder. We know we mad. I only love we, so we madder.
Yo, I'm so that's your T-Mobile in dogs. We have no service in it.
Nice, no service. Vlogger. Brother, we there. And you know, so me just link up with Mel Liquor while to and tell her say me write something for her, no?
Right, I lie.
Swell. We are now
Yeah.
We done write the script already for you to
Alright, I'm ready, you know.
Done write the script. You know what I mean? Banana tips in the building. Cousin. Bless up.
Yeah.
Black girl. We there. We in the place.
Yeah, with the, hey, don't worry. Yeah, right now, when I look out for something hot right now.
Yeah.
Big director right now.
Right
See me
now.
I say?
Ready.
So just link me. Oh, you have the line.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, already, isn't it?
Don't know.
You don't know the thing.
Yeah, you know how the universe set up?
Yeah.
Just do something.
No, but just attack.
Run it fast. Wait,
say.
just tell Mel. Just look a while. Edit, me go edit the video right now for post
Yeah?
it.
You gotta see it when I vlog.
I
See your life funny. We're there now. So, mad move. We definitely gotta link up in the brother. Definitely.
Yeah, just see
Mad move. Cause, blessings, you know. Alright, mad. Nice. I explain you left the car there. How the yeah, so we just spot banana chips. You know what I mean? And we just talk about it for sure. No, oh, life and energy crazy. Yo, this is sunny. I beat my body. So we just link up with Mel Liquor and we tell Mel say me write something for you. I think me the vlog the party though. Yeah, the part they're supposed to be on the vlog. I think me the vlog the party. But and the food me I eat.
Bro, what they put onions on?
I see him. And I say, hold on there, what that look like banana chips so? So you know we have to do the right thing and make a link. Years on top of years now me rate the brother there. You know what I mean? Years on top of years me I support him content. You know what I mean? Well I'm not supposed to know Rolly already. Well I'm not supposed to know banana chips already. So, miss don't open my door. Bring it down.
Sure, I don't feel like for stop.
So, remember me telling us I want to do something with him in terms of a video, in terms of a short film.
Nah, but
Know that him there now.
the universe is crazy. You gotta be careful what you try to manifest, bro.
Yep.
There's power in the words,
Yep,
right?
100%.
Because we talked about it when a couple days ago. Me and I reason about it.
Yeah, we talk about it again today.
See, drive past it. If anybody say, yo, move the stick, I
mean, now have my glasses.
I look straight, I can't look over.
I mean, now have my glasses. That's the crazy part. I now have my glasses.
It is fountain.
So,
But I took this on the balance.
me I go, look over the short film. The short film, I'll come now, definitely. Mad move. So, vlog world. Right now, I'm there. My boy figure make a quick run on the road. Well, I'm there on the road already, obviously. My boy figure see if I can find what them call it, dirt. Yo, imagine me that find and I walk a look dirt for buy. Dirt me there look for buy. My boy figure the store real quick to see if I can get some dirt. Today me have what if I think I want to vlog. But I'm going to put that in a separate vlog from this. I'm going to link up with my Chinese friend them. And then we do road. See what can go on. I'm going to bring them on the journey with me. So I'm not going to know what I'm going. When I come in for buy dirt and dirt. Yeah, them black stuff I look bad, man. Now lie still. See how they stay. Look at them black stuff, yeah. Large, you see how much it is. $2. I can buy 100 of them and print on them. 100 black shot I can buy $2 for one. I can buy 100 $2 black shot and print on all of them. When you see them, I think I each of them buy them. Watch. Watch out. Look at this ugly thing. It's a 4X. I'm not talking about trading. I'm gonna find dirt. Find 2 bags of dirt. I'm gonna find some liquor. Hold him up. Donkey. I'm gonna say ass. Find some little donkey to put in my cage. Or the spider something me I set up, so I just dirt me that look for me see dirt already. I'm still in here look. I look like it have big things. So me just a browse. And I see if I can find nothing more. Where would that look good in there? Yeah, me need one of them water buckets. Definitely need one of them now. Just spray them in there. I'm making think of rain, it rain. What else me need? I think that's it. Because this I get heavy now. Yeah man, this I get heavy now. So I have to do it. out of the store now. Out the door feel good. Get everything I want. You got levy bag. Me have to not buy a bag in left around $3. Yo, can't take off the mask now. Forgot. Yeah. Me say me have to not buy a big old bag in there for $3. Man, them thief. Then see me I buy dirt and so much something. Them could have actually give me a free bag. But if I buy the bag, $3. I don't know what I'm going to do with the bag. I'm going to use it. Do something after. I can pay $3 fee. You can't dash this. You know what I mean? So me run go in, go fix up the spider cage right now, and then check in back with you now. I feel like more just make this the vlog. I go just add this to what I have, because I have some footage from yesterday. I never want to go on a long vlog, dry it out. So I just go on some of my footage yesterday. I just go on the rest today. So blessings and respect again for Father and support you for the next vlog. I'm about to just edit this, post it, and start right away with the next vlog. Because as I tell you now, we are touch road. So I have a couple things to do. Can't you lick me down in a middle road. So I have a couple things to do. So yeah, blessings and respect again for support you for the next vlog. Soon in the next one. Bad move.
Hold on there, before you click off, remember the merch in the bio right now for purchase. Any Big Up My G's merch, any color, we have everything for the ladies them, you know what I mean? We have phone case, we have everything, we have pullover, we have regular shirt, we have long sleeve. Support the movement, my G's. Blessings and respect. Up it in.